Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create your own Notion template, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is a very useful tool which you can use for a variety of tasks, such as organizing and managing your time, creating to-do lists, creating your own journal, writing down things, creating documents, creating sprint boards for larger projects, and so on and so forth. It is a very useful tool which I will wholeheartedly recommend that you try if you haven't already. Now, the way you achieve all of this is through templates. Templates are pretty much just presets of text, a preset format which you can use to modify and create whatever sort of tool that you need. Now, to create your own template, it is very simple. A template is just a publicly shared page on Notion which can be duplicated. And now, let's say I want to use this template. This is just a test template with some gibberish written down. It is pretty much useless. Nobody will probably use this. However, I can still share it and make a template out of this. Now, to make a template, what you want to do is just go into share and then go into publish. Once you're at publish, just click publish to web, and it has been published to the internet. Now, to set it up as a template, you can just click this button, click the slider, which is allow duplicate as template, and then you can share it with whomever you would like, and they can download it, use it, modify it, well, their duplicate versions rather. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it, to creating a Notion template. That's been it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.